This is a crash course in how to design programs using the Plait language. It's a highly condensed version of the textbook How to Design Programs that you can find at HtDP.org. How to Design Programs provides a recipe for building a program from a problem statement, and the recipe has 5 steps. The first step is deciding your representation of data to be used in the program. Often that involves using a defined type form in Plait. Then writing examples, always using test in Plait. Creating a template for the implementation, and a template is going to be a key step that is a step before actually writing the full implementation. It involves writing down any relevant type case forms, extracting the field values or paying attention to those that type case gives you, and installing any cross and self-reference goals. Finally, you finish the body. That's the creative part of implementing a program with this recipe, and then you can run those tests, the same ones that you wrote down as examples. Let's try this recipe out on a few problems. We'll start with some very easy ones where the recipe will seem like overkill and work our way up to problems where the recipe starts to seem useful.